Hey, Mike here. Well, as you well know that we're installing a new generator, and I'm down here in the engine room with it, and I'm waiting on Walter to show up here any minute now. Walter's my mechanic from the yard over there. We've already started, and the place is a wreck. As you can see, it's a wreck down here, and we're going to be taking this thing literally out of the boat probably on Wednesday, and we're not sure how we're going to do that because we've got to manhandle this thing. It's about 400 pounds, and really not looking forward to that. So we're going to be shooting the video to show you how we do this. So stay tuned with us, okay? Well, we're getting all set up here to pick this generator up. These boys have come up with a rather ingenious A-frame they're going to use to pick this thing up with. So stay tuned. We're going to get this thing out of here, I believe, in a little bit. At least I hope that's the plan. You left. Looking good, boys. Looking good. Now. How you planning on getting some measurement water?
Alright, there's our old generator out of the engine room, sitting on some plywood. There's the frame they made for the engine.
Alright. Here's what we gotta do. Here's my idea.
Glad you finally
Steve? Can you pick straight up?
There she goes.
Understand?
I'm just that side. That in by walls. It's clear now. There's a leg now.
Ready?
Mike, you can't
I
lift
don't know
that.
if we can lift this.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can. Hold on, let me. All right.
Don't lose a finger.
I'll get down here and help you. Hold what you got. Hold everything.
Let me do this.
Where's that crowbar? Oh,
Over here.
got it. Looks pretty good. Right there. You can actually, with that resin, you can probably slide it with some weight on it.